Should we go upstairs?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Up the stairs. Oh!
No.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Should we go up again?
Yeah.
Yeah, he'll follow the mommy. Go ahead. I'll follow you, mommy. Upstairs.
Down.
Down? Okay. Is she gonna go out the door? Why didn't you put her out the door right here?
Mommy.
You gonna go out to the door? Oh, where did you push her? Is she outside?
Yeah.
Anybody else gonna go outside with her?
Yeah.
Who?
Mommy.
Mommy go outside?
Yeah.
Through the little door?
Yeah.
How about if I make the daddy go outside?
Daddy.
Daddy. Hi, Mommy. Do you think Papa's gonna come outside with us?
Yeah. Mommy.
Mommy make him go?
Yeah.
Should we go down the stairs first?
Yeah.
Down, down, down. Out the door. Are they all outside?
Yeah.
Are they gonna go for a walk? Oh, is he gonna go too?
Mommy.
What? Mommy make him go downstairs?
Yeah.